Hey there, this is John FARAHMAND from Balance Physical Therapy and Human Performance Center. This video is an attempt at finding a very special human being. You might be wondering, what am I talking about? Well, with our recently accredited Orthopedic Residency program, we are on the hunt nationally for an outstanding residency director. This human being understands that, much like building a business, it's not about business development, it's about people development. And much like building and growing therapists and elevating their level of practice, it's about developing human beings. It's about developing whole people that can walk into an exam room with a patient and give them exactly what it is that they need. In most schools, unfortunately, graduate degree programs, they're indoctrinating a lot of these students that, oh, you have to spend an hour with your patients, you're going to give quality care. Time spent with a patient does not equate to quality. Because if I spend 10 minutes with you, I am going to deliver more value, period. So time doesn't necessarily equate to patient experience, value, clinical outcomes. And I need whoever is going to come on board as our residency director to understand that, but also be someone who's willing to take the time, to have the patience, to really mentor young therapists at a level that engenders clinical excellence and learning how to hold oneself accountable for our skill set that each of us must bring into an exam room for a patient and for the patient's benefit. Because when you're more skilled, you're more confident. You have to have competence before you have confidence. And as educators in our residency program, our job is to give them confidence by giving them competence. This is how you do this. We're looking for someone who wants to be an educator, but not just to be an educator, but to create more effective, efficient, powerful therapists who can not only elevate our profession, but can elevate themselves as individual producers. So someone for our residency program needs to first be an educator, but also have an eye for business and want to make people confident through competence so that they can go out and become creators for themselves and producers for themselves and for our community to make a bigger and more powerful impact. That's who we're looking for. Clinical acumen is only one piece of the puzzle. So the person that we're looking for is at their nature, an educator, someone who loves to teach. And second, someone who also has vast experience in an outpatient clinical environment. If that person is you, and you've been thinking about elevating yourself to your next level, taking on a challenge that will not only lift up other therapists, but lift up our entire profession through education and excellence, clinical acumen, and helping younger therapists put the rubber to the road, so to speak, we'd love for you to reach out. We have an amazing opportunity for you here. Thank you.